Pastor Mark Biltz here from Shaddai Ministries. Thank you again so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe and share. Also, please like this video, and we would love to hear your comments. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Let's go on to Exodus 40, verse 16. This is so exciting. This is the last chapter of the book of Exodus. And what do we know that this is all about when the glory fell on the tabernacle? But look at this, Exodus 40:16. It says, "Thus did Moses according to all that the Lord commanded him." That's what he did. Look at the very next verse, 17. "And it came to pass in the first month, in the second year, on the first day of the month, that the tabernacle was reared up." That is not January 1st. Okay, when he talks about the first day of the first month, what day is he talking about? Nisan 1. Okay, now, if you want to know, how many of you that are married celebrate your anniversary? I hope everybody, or otherwise one of you's dead. How many of you think we should celebrate the anniversary that the glory of God fell again on earth, a long time, 3,500 years ago? Well, guess what? It's April 2nd this year. April 2nd of this year. And guess what? It happens to be a Shabbat. April 2nd is the very day, it's the very anniversary for God's glory falling on Moses' tabernacle. Wow. I think that's incredible. And so we go to Exodus 40:19. Again, he spread abroad the tent over the tabernacle. He put the covering on the tent above on it, as the Lord commanded Moses. Verse 21, "Then they bring the ark into the tabernacle and set up the veil and covered the ark, as the Lord commanded Moses." And then in verse 23, he set the showbread in order on it before the Lord, as the Lord commanded. Verse 25, "And then he lit the menorah, the lamps before the Lord, as the Lord commanded." Are we getting a pattern here? If we want the glory to fall, we have to do things according to how he tells us. Pastor Mark Biltz here from Shaddai Ministries. Thank you again so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe and share. Also, please like this video, and we would love to hear your comments. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.